how to cancel a free trial or subscription on your Roku TV. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage a subscription on your Roku TV so that you no longer get charged on your credit card or you cancel a free trial before you get charged. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So it's actually really easy to do this. All we need to do is find the channel that we have a subscription on. So go through all the channels on your home screen and find the channel and hover on the channel, select the asterisk on your Roku remote to bring up the menu. And then in the menu, if you see manage subscription, then this channel has a subscription. So if I select manage subscription, I can see that this has a subscription and it's set to renew on July 25th. So all I need to do is turn off auto renew, select that. And now it wants to confirm. So go up again and select yes, turn off auto renew. And now it's canceling that subscription on my TV. And as you can see, it tells me when my subscription will end. So I can enjoy that channel until that subscription ends.